17th, find the 20th term from the last term of the AP arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13 253. Okay. Solution for this problem: find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 253. You have to understand the problem. First, find the 20th term from the last term means you have to write in this manner: 253 13 8 3. Okay, A is equal to how much? A is equal to first 253, and here AN is equal to the last term 3. A is equal to, okay, N is equal to how much? It is also given. N is equal to how much? 20. Then what you have to find out? Find the 20th term from the last term means A20 is equal to question mark, and also D is equal to, what is the value of D? You have to take a D, the difference between the 8 minus 3. D2 A2 minus 7 means here A2 minus 7, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, but we have to take from last number to first number. For those reasons sign will be changed. D is equal to minus 5. So apply formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to how much here? The last term. No, we have to find out the 20th term. A20 is equal to A value is 253 plus N value is 20 minus 1 and D value is minus 5. So equals 253, right, as similar, plus 20 minus 1 is 19 minus 5, 253 plus into minus 19 5s are 95. 19 5s are 95. Subtract this 253 minus 95. 3 minus 5 is not possible. Borrow 1 means 10, 13. It will be 4. So 30 minus 5 is 8. Borrow 1 here, 14. 14 minus 9 is how much? 5. Here is 1. Answer is 158. 20th term of this AP from last number to first number is nothing but 158. From left hand side to right hand side means first number to last number, take the value in the form of positive or negative according to the problem. But we have to take here last number to first number, the sign will be changes. Here is only one changes. You have to apply this formula, then it will be easy. Next, 18th problem. The sum of the fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24, and the sum of the sixth term and 10th term is 44. Find the first three terms of the AP. Okay, solution. Once again, the sum of the fourth and the eighth term of an AP is 24. A4 plus A8 is equal to how much? It is given 24. The fourth term and eighth term of an AP is nothing but A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. Sixth term A6 plus A10 is equal to how much? 44. Okay. Next, what I have to do? By applying a simple formula. That formula is nothing but A formula. The nth term of an AP. The formula to find nth term of an AP. Nothing but A4. I have to written in the form of A plus 3D. Then A8. A plus 7D equals how much? 24. Here A6 is written in the form of A plus 5D plus A10 is nothing but A plus 90 is equal to 44. A plus A is 2A. 3D plus 7D equals 10D is equal to how much? 24. Each number here is divided by 2 because 2 is a common factor. For those reasons, I have to divide the whole equation by 2. 2 ones are 2 means A, 2 5s are 10. 5D is equal to 2 12s are 24. Call equation number 1. Here A plus A, 2A. 5D plus 9D means 14D equals 44. So here is also the common number is or a common factor is 2. Divide the whole equation by 2. 2 1s are 2A, 2 7s are 14D, 2 22s are 14. Call equation number 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. Take from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get. So A plus 5D this implies A plus 5D plus is equal to how much? Value A plus 7D is equal to 22. Subtract this. What happens? It is a simultaneous equation. Actually, arithmetic progression in the arithmetics. But now we have to enter to simultaneous equation means algebra. Subtract. The sign will be changes. The sign will be changes. A cancel. 5 minus 7 is not possible. 7 minus 5 is 2. The big number sign is minus. Minus 2D is equal to. Here is also in right hand side. 12 minus 22 is not possible. 22 minus 12 is 10. The big number sign is here is also minus. Cross multiply this. What happens? D is equal to minus 10 by minus 2. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. The value of D is how much? 5. Okay, next. Substitute the value of D is equal to 5 in equation 1 or 2. I have to take 1. It is for my convenience. I have to take equation number 1. Suppose you have to take equation 2 also. Answer will be same. There is no changes. For those reasons, I have to take the equation 1. Substitute the value of D is equal to 5 in equation 1. We get what happens? We have to check it. A, write as similar. 5, write as similar. D value is how much? 5 is equal to 12. In equation 1, I have to apply the value of D. The value of D is how much here? 5. I have to apply here. A plus 5 5 is 25 is equal to 12. Plus 25 go to the side. A is equal to 12 minus 25 is equal to. Here is also 12 minus 25 is not possible because 12 is the smallest, 25 is the biggest. 25 minus 12 is equal to 30. Big number sign is minus. A is equal to 30. Next, they have to find out 3 terms of an AP. The formula is A plus D, A plus 2D, dot dot dot. The A is minus 13. Minus 13 plus D means 5. Minus 13 plus 2 into 5. Minus 13, answer is minus 13. 5 minus 13 is not possible. 13 minus 5 is 8. Big number sign minus. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 13, minus 3. Dot dot dot. Answer is minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. Okay, it is a long problem and also very important for the examination point of view. Okay, I have to erase the problem. What I have to do? There is no space here. For those reasons, I have to solve it. Okay, A plus A what? 2A. 3D plus 70. 10D is equal to 24. Common number is 2. For those reasons, I have to divide the whole equation by 2. I have to get an answer. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Call equation number 1. Here is also A plus A. 2A. 5D, 10D. What? 14D. Answer is 14D is equal to 44. Here is also a common number 2. For those reasons, I have to divide the whole equation by 2. A plus 70 is equal to 22. Call equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we get, subtract this. Subtract, the sign will be changes. A cancel. 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2D. 12 minus 22 is equal to minus 10. D is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 2. 1 to 1s are 2 5s are D is equal to 5. Substitute the value of D is equal to 5 in equation 1 or equation 2. I have to take my convenience. According to my convenience, I have to take the equation number 1. For those reasons, I have to apply D is equal to 5 in equation 1. A plus 5. D value is how much? 5 is equal to 12. 5 5 is 25. Plus 25 go to the side. Minus 25. 12 minus 25 means A is equal to minus 30. The standard form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D. I have to apply the value of AD. I have to get the answer minus 30, minus 8, minus 3. Okay. Next problem. Problem number 19. Only 2 problems are remaining for the completion of exercise 1.2. It is a very easy problem. Subbarao, the one of the person, Subbarao, started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees and received an increment of 200 rupees each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000 rupees? Okay, I have to read the problem. Subbarao, the one of the person, he started a work in 1985 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees. It is an annual salary and received an increment of 200 rupees each year. Every year is the salary increased by how much? 200 rupees. In which year did his income reach 7,000 rupees? It is a very simple problem. I have to solve this problem in the simple manner. Salary is how much? First year salary 5,000 rupees. Increment is how much? 200 rupees. Add 200 rupees. 5,200 rupees. 5,400 rupees, etc. Dot. Final salary is how much? 7,000 rupees. Okay. A is equal to what? It is also in the form of AAP arithmetic progression. A is equal to 5,000 rupees and D is equal to 200 rupees. Means 5,200 minus 5,000 is equal to 200 rupees. D value is also obtained. Then N is equal to question mark. So we should calculate. AN is also given the last term. The last year salary is how much? 7,000 rupees. Okay. Then you have to apply a formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Easy problem. AN value is how much? 7,000 rupees. Substitute the value of AN. Then A is how much here? 5,000 rupees plus N. We should find out D value is how much? 200 rupees. Formula substitution is very important. 5,000 rupees, write as similar, plus 200 into N, 200 N, plus into minus, this is a minus, plus into minus, minus, 200 ones are 200, 5,000 minus 200 is equal to 4,800, plus 200 N, write as similar, in the left hand side is how much? 7,000. 7,000 minus 4,800 plus 4,800 goes from right hand side to left hand side. The sign will be changes. Equals 200n. Cross multiply this. N is equal to 7,000 minus 4,800 equals 0, 0, 0 minus 8 is not possible. I have to borrow 1. It will be 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. It already 1 is borrowed for those reasons. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2,200 divided by 200. Divided 2 0 2 0 it cancel. 2 ones are 2 11s are. N is equal to 11. Okay. In which year we have to get a 7,000 rupees salary? In 11th year, means 1995, he take a salary of 5,000 rupees. Add this 11 to this year, what happens? 6, 0, 0, 2. 2006. In 2006, he have to get a salary of how much? 7,000 rupees. It is very easy. 1995, he have to get a salary of how much? 5,000 rupees. In the 11th year, nothing but 2006, he get a salary of how much? 7,000 rupees. It is very easy. Okay, I have to calculate once again. A value, D value, A2 minus A1 means 200. It is equal to question mark. A is equal to 7,000. Apply this formula. Apply these values are the given data to a problem. We have to know that the formula to find n term of NAP is A is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A equals 7,000, A 5,000, N minus 1 data similar. D value is how much here? 200. 200 into N, 200 N plus into minus, 200 ones are 200. 5,000 minus 200, 4,800. 200 N data similar. My plus 4,800 come to this side. Sign will be changes. Is equal to 200. 7,000 minus 4,800 is 2,200 divided by what? 200. Okay. Next, 20th problem. The last problem in this exercise, not the completion of arithmetic progression. One exercise also there. 1.3 for the completion of this chapter. 20th problem, Ram Kadi saved 5 rupees in the first week. In the first week of a year, and then increased her weekly savings by 1.75 rupees if n in the problem once again 1.75 rupees if in the next if in the 7th week comma or salary or weekly salary or weekly saving amount savings become 20.75 rupees. Find the value of n. Okay, I have to read the problem and explain it. What I have to find out. Ram Kali, one of the women, she saved 5 rupees in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by 1.75 rupees. If in the nth week our weekly savings become 20.75 rupees, find the value of n. Once again, is it correct or not? I have to check it. Ram Kali saved 5 rupees in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by 1.75 rupees. First week, how much? 5 rupees. It is increased by 1.75 means add 5 to 1.75. 5 plus 1, what? 6.75. Once again add 1.75. 0, 5 by 10, 7, 14, 50. 1 carry, 8.50 and so on. Last value is how much? 20.75. Find the number in the term. A is equal to what? 5. D is equal to 6.75 minus 5 is equal to 1.75. D is equal to 1.75. N we should find out. An is equal to 20.75. It is the given value. Okay, the formula An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is the formula. An value is 20.75 is equal to A value 5. N we should find out. D value is how much? 1.75 equals 5 plus 1.75 into N 1.75 N plus into minus 1.75 ones are 1.75. Then 5 minus 1.75. Subtract this 5.00. 5 means 5.00. 1.75. Subtract this. It is not possible. Borrow 1 from here. It will be changes to 4. Here 10. It will move to forward. It will take 10. It will be converted into 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3.25. Is it correct or not? I have to check it once again. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Plus 1.75 N. Write as similar in the left hand side 20.75. 1.75 N equals 20.75. It is not a comma, it is a point. Plus 3.25. Come to this side. Minus 3.25. Cross multiply this. N is equal to 20.75 minus 3.25. Subtract this. What happens? 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 0 minus 3 is not possible. Borrow 1 from 2. It will changes into 10. It will changes into 1. 10 minus 3 is 7. 70.50. In the denominator is how much? Cross multiplication. 1.75. Point will be cancelled. 175 ones are 175 tens are. N is equal to how much? 10. It is actually decimal problem. You have to study it in the 7th standard. Okay, Ram Kali saved 500 rupees in the the first week of a year and then increases weekly salary, weekly savings by 1.75 rupees. If in the nth week our weekly saving becomes 20.75 rupees, find n means the first value, first week saving is how much? 5. Add 1.75, continuously. Last term is 20.75. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 6.75, minus 5 means 1.75 is already given here. 1.75 increasing every week. N is equal to question mark, we should find out A n is equal to 20.75. A n is equal to A plus n minus 20 is the formula. A n is equal to 20.75. A is 5, n minus 1 right as similar, D value is how much? 1.75. 5 plus into plus 1.75 into n, 1.75 n minus into plus minus 1.75 is 1.75. 5 minus 1.75 is how much? 3.25 plus 1.75 n right as similar. Be careful, n is a variable. 3.25 is not a variable, it is a constant. For those reasons, don't add these two numbers. For those reasons, shift this number to left hand side. 1.75 n is equal to 20.75 minus 3.25, subtract 17.50 divided by 1.75. 2 digit after point, 2 digit after point, it will be cancelled. 175 ones are 175 tens are, n is equal to how much? 10. The value of n is 10. Okay. As the exercise 1.2 completely finished. Next exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. I have to solve it. 1.3. The last exercise of this chapter. Before I go to start this exercise 1.3, we have to know that all of you understand about nth term of n. The formula to find the sum of nth term of NAP is nothing but Sn is equal to n by 2, 2k plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. Or Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Or Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an is the formula to find the nth sum of the nth term of an AP. Okay, according to this formula, there are so many questions are there. Today I have to start and give solution to those problems. The first main, find the sum, find the sum of the following APs. Of the following APs. Okay, the first one, the A. What is the problem here? 2, 7, 12, to 10 terms. To 10 terms is the problem. It is very easy. First you have to understand the problem. What it will be as. Find the sum of the following APs. Okay, we have to find out what? Sum means Sn formula, not An formula. N means nth term is An, but sum means Sn. A is equal to what? 2. D is equal to A2 minus A1 equals 7 minus 2. D is equal to 5. It is the given values. N is equal to 10. It is also given here. Sn means Sn is equal to question mark. Apply the formula here. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula to solve this problem in the easy manner, in the easy way. Sn is equal to 10 by 2, 2 into a value is 2 plus n value is 10 minus 1, it is also given, into d value is 5. If it is divided, divide it, or left it. It is divided. For those reasons, 2 ones are, I have to divide it. 2 fives are. 5 right hand similar. 2 twos are 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 5.